You spoke a little bit about some of the maintenance practices. What are some of the improvements that a long-term care facility could be looking into or considering?
Yeah, so long-term care facilities, hospitals, everybody has improvements they can make. Let's start with something simple, filters, right? Let's bump your filtration, your MERV level, up to a level that your system can handle. So incrementally, bump up a level, check your system. Do your motors overheat? Do your airflows change? And if not, then bump up to the next level. Let's see if we can get as high as you can. There are some forthcoming mandates that could say everybody needs MERV 13. And if your system can't handle it, then that turns into possibly system replacements. It all depends. UV, another good example to add to interior of a system. Needlepoint bipolar ionization, another good product to add to the system, which will help. That would basically be if you use both a pants and suspender approach and help the indoor air quality overall.
For people that may not know the phrase, what is the pants and suspenders approach?
Well, really meaning you're trying to cover your bases, and if one fails, you've got a backup. But each device is doing something slightly different as well.